Cut him down!
Grab a stick or something.
Wait, what?
No! Do you want more?
Yeah!
Will this tiny twig be enough?
Yes! No! No! Bigger! Get the biggest twig you can find!
Sorry, Junior. Gotta give the people what they want. Grab the baby. Let's go!
Wolfpack! Chase!
Why wouldn't you stop hitting me?
I was distracting them.
Here we go.
We should untie the bridge.
I know. What do you think I'm doing? Suck it, wolves!
Wolfpack! Form of Wolf Bridge!
What is happening?
The wolves are forming a suspension bridge.
How is that possible?
I don't know.
All right, let's go. No, we're probably gonna die!
Let's go.
The door!
Leave it. Oh my gosh. We can use that thing as a thing.
Right, the thing to the thing! Let's go! You sound like a monkey!
You sound like a monkey.
Wolfpack! Form of Wolf Bones! Whoa!
Are you kidding me?
That is so unpredictable!
Wolfpack! Form of Submarine! Submarine!
I didn't know wolves could form a submarine. I've never seen that before. Nature shows. Okay, quick, get to the plane.
What? I thought it was broken!
I think there was some spare parts.
We're gonna get you, we're gonna get you!
All right, let's go!
Junior. Yeah.
Obviously, I'm not gonna push it.
Wait!
You can push it so easily, it would take such a little amount of force.
Don't look at me like that.
If you don't give us tiny thing, we're gonna eat you! We're gonna eat you anyway!
You don't say it, you make the deal, and then you eat them anyway.
Gotcha! We're not going to eat you! Well, now it's too late!
No, no. Junior,
Let's go! All right, let's fly!
it doesn't fly.
What?
It falls.
Why did I save you? Ah!
Wolfpack form of Wolf Plane!